Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to cook Irish stew that is made with lamb and root veggies. To cook this stew, I used a 24 cm diameter Dutch oven, some chunks of lamb leg, the medium yellow onion, 1 carrot, 1 parsnip, a small Swede or Rutabaga, 5 Yukon gold potatoes, 1 small leek, some fresh thyme, some salt, black pepper, unsalted chicken broth. Prepare the oven at 330 Fahrenheit. Heat up the Dutch oven and bring to boil at high heat. Remove the scum. Then cover the pot. Transfer to the oven. Cook 2 hours at 330 Fahrenheit. Time is up. Let's check the stew. Sprinkle some finely chopped parsley to serve. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this 4 people serving size Irish stew cost me $30. I'm going to enjoy this comforting stew with some soda bread. Thanks for watching my video.